Hello, my name is Rifat Ibrahim. I'm software developer and I have experience in Oracle database as I'm Oracle database developer. And I've joined the Bolt Hackathon prize and I'm so grateful to thank Bolt.news API platform to develop our mobile apps and web apps as fast as quick. And I have developed this application which is called Mindful Space, which in this application, users can register in our application and just enter settings as you need. After his registration, he will get his own dashboard to track his mood, his meditation, to get support with AI agent, and all other stuffs related to a therapist and mood tracker. And if something crisis and urgent help occurs to this user, he can direct call the required and responsible section or clinic, for example. So this user, which is Alex Johnson, he can make meditation as you want if he is a beginner or for sleep, or if he has anxiety or would like to make concentration and to be focused or stress relief, or if he likes to apply all of them, he can follow. After that, in section mood tracker, he can track according to the date if he is good. And in my situation now, I'm excellent because I have joined Bolt.new AI developer. And this is for finance. And if I saved mood successfully in our application database, which is in Supabase. And if he needs AI support, if you just need my mood how, then he will, your feelings are valid and brave to reach out. In this situation, he will connect using API to get data from our real database, which is called Mindful Space Database Project. For therapists, you can search according to your location. If I search for New York City, all specialists, then you can book session, you can make a call, or you can send email. And at last, I am very excellent, and you will see all your analysis for your some mood tracking, support, therapist, crisis help, meditation, and so on. And this is profile. And for the code, as I have experience in web developers also, I have used JavaScript and TypeScript, and I have also used CSS CSS and HTML, and we have used Tailwind framework to make our application more stunning, more warmy, stylish, and realistic. And we have used JSON for configuration and text data. We also use Vite, and this is preview. And thank you so very much for Bolt Hackathon prize. Excellent.